Hey Jordan, Joshua here with Peterson SEO, and thank you for requesting this video. I'd like to talk about attic health and how you are in the web space as well as your competitor, and also how I can help guide you to help grow your business. So with that, let's get to it. So here is your website. I like your logo up here. It looks really nice. Looks like you have a clickable phone number here. Looks like you have a form also to fill out right here. So let's kind of scroll down a little bit. 5-star rated. Okay. Add a cost-based special. Looks clickable. Okay. But before we get more into this, I want to show you the 3 different ways how you could be found in Google. First way is this sponsored. Like if you type in attic cleaning San Diego, California. You have this sponsored tab right here. That's one way to get found. The second way to get found is through this map pack area, which is these 3 spots right here. And what it takes to get here is you need to have enough citations and then some in order to be up here. So about 30% of your business can be found right here. So the third thing to be found would be in these top 3 slots here, which is called the organic section. About 70% of clients will reach out to you here. You want to be at these top 3 spots, or you're just going to leave money on the table. So we really don't want that. So now that we discussed the 3 different ways on how you can be found on Google, let's go back to your website and kind of scroll down and kind of look to see what you would need as far as content would go. Google really loves 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. So on your website, it looks like you have, let me go up a little bit fast here. Looks like you got maybe 1,000 words of content, if that. So, but other than that, your web page layout looks really nice. A few things you want to keep in mind is you want to save. You want to put keywords to every 250 words of content on here, and that's what it looks like you don't have. So, okay, with that, let's look at your competitor's website and see how their content looks. They got these drop downs here. They got blog. Okay, let's see. They got these clickables here. Looks like they have keywords added to contamination. Let's see. Rodent proofing. These look like keywords that they are using. So all in all, they got, I would say, roughly, I would say they got maybe 800 words of content, maybe 1,000. So that's just it on content. I mean, even as you could see, even these guys need help, even if they are at this second slot when you type in attic cleaning San Diego. So let's take a quick look at the present view of your website. So this is a tool called Ahrefs, and this shows where your website is presently. This right here is the strength and the trust, and these are all 100-point scales. You have 13 organic keywords going to your website. So, I mean, you got to think of your website as a virtual ATM, and you want a lot more traffic going here. So, you only have 3 organic traffic here. Let's take a quick look at your keywords. You got 13, or actually 43. So 13 of them are actually organic that you are actually using for your website. Okay, so let's take a quick look at your competitor's website, which is Attic Construction. Theirs is at a 3628 rating, so you have a little bit more power than them, but they actually are getting all the traffic. So they have 26.4K traffic going to their website. So they are getting all your business, as you can see right here, Attic Construction. They are getting all the business, um, and yours is right here. So as you can tell the difference and what that makes as far as doing proper SEO and backlinking your pages to where you are performing organically in the web space. So I just kind of want to say that we can always improve. So remember the three things on how you can be found is the sponsored area up here, and also you can get found the second spot, which is the map pack area, where 30% of your customers are found, or excuse me, where they can find you. Um, which you need citations to get here, so we would have to do basically what Attic Construction is doing. We'll have to just do more than what they're doing if we want to rank in the service area for this keyword. Um, so right here, um, this is the third way to be found, which is the organic section. Yelp, Attic Construction, and Attic Guys hold this three spots right here for organics. So with that being said, um, they have the space currently right there um, to rank in this area. So with that, Jordan, I hope that this information was useful to you. If you need a guide to help you grow your business and improve your web space, don't hesitate to call me. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I'm with Peterson SEO. My phone number is 505-331-7995. Again, that's Joshua Gutierrez, 505-331-7995. And if not, no harm, no foul. This is your information, free to use. Um, so, with that, I hope the rest of your day is good to you, and thank you. Bye-bye.